Bugema University was established in 1948 as Bugema Missionary Training School, initially focusing on training teachers and pastors for the Seventh-day Adventist Church in East Africa. Over the years, the institution underwent several transformations, including the change of name from Bugema Missionary School in 1948 to Bugema Missionary College, Bugema Adventist College, and finally Bugema University in 1994. But today I have a specific focus on the School of Theology, which has two departments, Department of Theology and the Department of Religious Studies. Pastor Achika Anthony, the Dean of School of Theology, enlightens us.
The school has grown, and this time now we have two departments. In the School of Theology, we have the Department of Theology, and we have the Department of Religious Studies. Under the Department of Religious Studies, we have concentrations in the chaplaincy, concentrations in development ministry, concentrations in urban ministry, and also concentrations in evangelism. And then we have the Bachelor of Theology. All this is to prepare and train people for effective service of the church, and particularly in the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and at the same time also to be able to reach the world as we prepare the world for the second coming of Jesus Christ, and to address all our needs in addition to the spiritual needs. The degrees we offer to Bugema University are organized by both the National Council of Higher Education of Uganda and also by AAA, which is the highest academic organization of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. We recognize the programs are accredited by the National Council, and so the degrees here can be used to upgrade to any levels and any universities, even when they're not Seventh-day Adventist institutions, because these are purely academic degrees, and they are degrees which are recognized everywhere by church and other institutions.
To our attention the growth of the school over years and its diverse environment and students.
And I would say now the school is very, very strong actually. We have over 1,000 students in the School of Theology and Religious Studies. And why it is very strong is because the students come from very, very many different countries. We have very many students from Kenya, we have students from Tanzania, we have students from Rwanda, we have students from Burundi, we have students from Congo, we have students from South African countries such as Malawi, Zambia, Botswana, Angola, South Africa itself. We have students from Uganda, very many also, and then we have students also from South Sudan, and we have students from all these other countries.
Pastor Anthony commends the school faculty members and staff for their publications and also the students for their wonderful performance in recent years.
Both our faculty and students do a lot of publications. A number of our lecturers have written books, and there are quite a number of books. When you go to the notice board of the School of Theology, you will find copies of these books in the notice board, and copies of these books are also there in the libraries. So we write books and we write articles. Our students always emerge among the performing students with the highest GPS. When they read the students with the highest GPS from the Jesus Award. For the last 2 years, the best performer with the highest GPA during graduations always come from the School of Theology. So we're working hard at
The School of Theology not only focuses on academics but also community engagement. Mr. Anthony tells us what they do.
We engage very seriously in community outreach. We do community service and community outreach. From time to time, we are out in the community. We identify some needs. We see where there's need out in the community, and with both staff, faculty, and also students get out to address some of those needs in the community. We have renovated the houses for some very old women. We have built some houses for some very old people, weak people, the needy people in society. Our students go around sometimes giving used clothes to those who are naked, and then also they preach the gospel.
The Dean reveals the certificate and diploma courses also being offered at the school and the postgraduate diploma that would soon be offered.
Certificate, N levels of diploma, N levels of bachelor degree, and N levels of postgraduate diploma. Welcome to the School of Theology Bugema University. God bless you all. We are very soon expecting to offer another program which is diploma, postgraduate diploma in theology.
Whereas Mr. Benson, a student of theology, explains how theology studies has impacted him and invites students to come and do theology.
Since I'm a pastor in training, it has enriched me so much, and it has prepared, it has prepared me and equipped me so much for the work in the Lord's vineyard. So I encourage and I invite many people to come to the School of Theology and Media Studies. Actually, it's one of the best that we have in Africa. Thank you so much.
Meanwhile, Ellen White believes that anyone, regardless of gender, can be called to serve.
People know that theology is for men, but today I want to challenge the ladies. It is not also only for men. It is women also, we can do it. And when we come here to do theology, we are exposed. At least we can go, we advise the ladies, we tell them, even them, God calls everyone. If we are called, we should not leave the call behind because we are a lady. A lady should be strong enough to speak to other ladies or to other men also. We can, even example, the woman, the Samaritan woman, she went and preached the word of God to men. We can do that also. So I welcome all of you. Welcome.